Hello friends, how are you all? My name is Amber Kirkwood and I am a team leader and a stylist with Color Street. Today I'm going to go through and show you just how awesome these quick and easy nail polish strips are. They're so easy to apply, and the best thing, there's no dry time. What I love about Color Street is it is a fraction of the cost of what you'll pay at the salon, so it's going to help your budget. But not only that, you can apply these anywhere. I've applied them in my car, I've applied them on a plane, I've applied them just sitting in my, house, just ready to go to bed. So I love how easy and convenient they are because this is a busy mom. I don't have time for my nails to dry. So let me go through and kind of show you how these work. These are the Color Street nail strips. The set that I am going to apply today is called Trick or Treat. Unfortunately, it is no longer available, but when you go online, you will find so many beautiful sets. You're going to be blown away. Okay, so each set of Color Street, let's talk a little bit about what is Color Street. Color Street is 100% nail polish. Every single strip comes with a base coat, a color, and a top coat automatically included. And inside this package, there's 16 different strips. I'll show you that in just a minute. What's important to know, though, is that you'll notice this comes in a vacuum sealed package. That's super important because this is 100% nail polish. So once this is opened and exposed to air, the nail polish strips will start to cure. Okay, so let me show you how to open these up. So in each package, and again, this is my Color Street nail package, I have this beautiful set of nails. I also have, you have everything you need in your package. It comes with a Color Street alcohol prep pad, and then it also comes with a really super cute nail file, which I'm gonna open that up right now just to make my life a little easier. And if you're like me, you might need a pair of reading glasses to be able to do your nail application. These aren't required though. Cool. So it's awesome. Everything you need is right there in your package. Okay. So move my little pile there. So these are Color Street nail strips. Right here, we have a little notch that we can just rip and open up our nail strips. And inside, you have 2 rows of nail polish strips. So there are 8 different sizes, and actually these are double-ended strips. So technically there's actually 16 different sizes because the ends are just a little bit different in size. So you will guaranteed be able to find nail strips that perfectly fit your nail size, okay? And nail prep. So you'll see my nails are naked. I already broke one, unfortunately, but that's okay. So the prep of your nails before you start your nail polish is you want to make sure that you've washed your hands. I usually use like a Dawn dish soap because it removes all the oils and the grease. And then you also will want to push back all your cuticles, file and buff everything so that your nails are exactly the shape and the style that you want them to be. I have a little list that I'm going off of to make sure I don't forget to tell you anything important. Okay, so once you've washed your hands, you've filed, and you've done all that, your next step is to take the alcohol prep pad and to clean each of your fingernails. And the reason why you want to do this is you want to make sure that you are applying your fingernail strips to a clean surface. That will make your nails last longer and look lovely. Okay, so we're just going to do this on all 10 of my fingers. And I'm also going to do the pads of my fingers. You guys will notice that as well. The reason why, these are your tools. You want to make sure that you have tools that are free of any sort of oil, grease, or grime. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do here is, because I have applied Color Street quite often, I know the sizes and exactly which ones fit what. So I know, put a little pile here on the side. Okay. Put that one there. So with this package of nail strips, I know that this one is a little too small, so I use this one either on my toes or sometimes I'll use it on my daughter. Okay, so I know that this nail strip right here is the perfect size for my pinky. So watch how easy this is. So do you see that little purple tab up top? That is our clear protective coat. I'm just going to pull that off and that goes in the trash. Okay, step 1, very important. If you forget to do that, it makes it a little hard to put your nails on. The second step that we're going to do is that, do you see the white and the silver? The white is a paper backing, so I'm just going to lift that silver tab and separate it right from the white paper backing. So this is my nail strip. That little silver tab is already perforated, so if you give it just a gentle little tug, it will easily remove. And what's really great about Color Street is that you can touch it. So I know that this end down here is what fits my pinky, so I'm going to apply it to my fingernail, close to my cuticle, but not on top of my cuticle. And here's one of my favorite things about Color Street. If you put it on crooked, you can easily lift it up and reposition it. Okay, so again, you want to center it on your fingernail, close close to your cuticle, but not on top. Okay, so there you go, you see it there? So I'm gonna go side to side. So side to side, up the center, and then make sure you get those little corners really well. Do you see that right there? And here's one of the things that I love about Color Street. I have a little wrinkle there. See that? Watch this. I can easily lift it back and just smooth it right back down. It is so forgiving and it's so simple. That's one of the things that attracted me to it when I first tried it. Now you'll see I have all that excess. I'm going to use my thumb. All I'm going to do is go over the edge and gently perforate with my fingernail. Smooth and push. And then we just gently tuck those under there. Okay, so that's one fingernail done. And you'll notice I can touch this. This is what we call dry polish, which means the top is 100% dry. The bottom, which is the base coat, is only 95% dry. And that's why it can actually stick to your fingernail. Now, what I'm going to do with this one here is I know that this second half of the strip is what fits my ring finger perfectly. So these are double-ended strips that you can use on 2 different nails if you prefer. Or one thing I like to recommend is that when I'm applying my solids, I will usually put a double strip on my solids, because just like when you're applying the wet fingernail polish, putting a second strip, especially of those solids, will actually strengthen. So again, going side to side of the cuticle, up the center over those sides. And what I'm doing is I'm gently just folding it over the edge here. Wow, I love this color. It's such a beautiful orange color. Perfect for the holidays. Okay, and what I'm going to do here next, I'm just going to hold that there for a minute, is I'm going to take this handy dandy nail file that I got from Color Street. Again, everything you need comes in your package. And I'm just going to very gently file down to remove that excess. Okay. As we'll see there, that in just a moment needs just a little bit more filing. And you'll notice I'm filing down, not seesaw. It's important that you file down, because what that's going to do is just gently perforate so that you can remove any of that excess. Now, if I were to have any of the nail polish sticking to my skin, I would just take my fingernail and go along here at the base or the side of my nail and gently pull it away. But it's really, truly that easy. Okay, so when you apply your nail strips, you want to wait for at least 20 minutes or so before you touch any lotions or oils or anything like that, because you want to give your nail some time to cure to your nail. Okay, so when it comes to removing the excess, you can use the perforation with your fingernail, or you can use a nail file. Both of them are super duper easy, but it really is that easy. So Color Street comes in solids, glitters, glitter designs, nail art designs. We even have clear overlays and French tips. So many, many beautiful colors and styles to choose from, whether you're somebody who just likes a real conservative neutral, or maybe you're somebody who likes a really colorful artistic palette. There's a whole variety, and what's even more fun is being able to mix and match. Now with Color Street, we have an amazing buy 3 get 1 free deal that you can actually go on and mix and match. So create yourself some really fun mixed manis. It also is a wonderful gift. So when you're shopping, make sure to shop in increments of 4, and then you can also gift these. They're simple to put inside, like a birthday card envelope, or just a regular envelope to your friends would be fine as well. So I would love to spoil you as one of my customers. So down in the comments below, I'm going to have the link for my group, which is my VIP group called Empowered Beauty by Amber Kay. That's on Facebook. Or if you're ready to shop, make sure to take advantage of that buy 3 get 1 free, and you can shop at empoweredbeauty.com. I'm sorry, empoweredbeautybyamberkay.com/options. And again, I will have that link down below as well. So all of these gorgeous nails are buy 3 get 1 free. Have fun. Go in, find some colors that absolutely just delight you and make you super happy. See how easy and simple these really are. I hope that you enjoyed this application video, and I hope that you enjoy your Color Street nails. Bye.